In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use time estimates in ClickUp and set a due date for a task. First, open ClickUp and head to the space where you manage your work. Think of your space as the home base for related projects. Once you're there, open the list that contains your tasks. We'll make a quick adjustment to the view so you can track how long tasks are expected to take. Look toward the columns at the top of your list. Find the option to add a column. This is the Arasan. This is usually a small plus icon or an Add Column button. Click it to open the field library. In the search bar, type time. From the results, look for time estimate. Toggle it on to enable the field for this list. When it's enabled, you'll see a new time estimate column appear alongside your other task details. This is the place where your planned effort will live, separate from time tracked. Now open the task you want to plan. You can click directly into the time estimate cell in the list, or open the task to see the field inside the task panel. Enter the amount of time you expect the work to take. You can use whatever unit makes sense for your team, minutes, hours, or a mix, like 1 hour and 30 minutes. The key is to estimate realistically. If you're unsure, base it on similar tasks you've completed before, and remember that you can adjust the estimate later as you get more clarity. Next, set a due date for the same task. In the task panel, find the due date area and click it to open the date picker. Choose the date that aligns with your timeline and add a specific time if you need more precision. A good rule of thumb is to set the due date slightly ahead of when you truly need the work done, giving yourself a buffer for reviews or unexpected delays. With the time estimate field turned on and your task updated with both an estimate and a due date, you now have a clear plan, how long the work should take and when it needs to be finished. This combination helps you prioritize tasks, forecast workload, and communicate expectations with your team. That's all there is to it. You've enabled the time estimate column, added an estimate to your task, and set a due date. Keep refining your estimates as you learn, and you'll see your planning accuracy improve over time. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.